go. Here we go.
Oh boy. Whee!
I'm driving. You are driving. You are a good driver, aren't you?
Here's Reagan.
Excuse me, sir. What? Are you going to push us?
Oh, look out. It doesn't have very good brakes, though, so you just got to turn. We got a choo-choo train going in here, Jay. Woo! Crashed into the tree.
There we go. Does Colby want to go for a ride?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Brookston. Colby's turn. Climb off there, Bruiser. There you go.
You see why I don't lift him anymore?
She's heavy.
Mama.
Okay, put your feet up.
Okay, let's get out of the street, Brooks.
Okay, let Mama get her toes up too.
Get out of the street.
Be able to go. Okay.
You're a pedestrian now. You got to move.
Get going over this way first. Just shake it real easy like that.
Come here. Get out of the street.
Oh. Okay, go this way. Okay, shake it real easy, and it'll keep us going. Oh boy. Okay, do a turn.
All right.
Keep it going. Move your arms. You gotta keep it going.
I'll go.